PGYTECH was born out of true passion for drones and action photography. We create innovative and useful products that increase the protection, portability, and recording experience of your drone and cameras. We know very well that drones and cameras are ever present in our daily lives. Family gatherings, outings, or skating with friends are all perfect occasions to use a drone. That's why we know how important it is for them to operate properly and maximize their capabilities. As we lead the way in innovation for drone and action camera accessories, we strive to deliver the best hands-on practical products. See the world from original angles wherever you go, and capture life as you live it in your own way. Available in DJI's official stores and sold in more than 60 countries, all our products are made with the highest quality standards and materials, such as avionic steel, aluminum, and high-quality ABS and PE plastics. Our integrated approach of supply chain organization, from manufacturing to design and quality control, allows us to create industry-leading products, always one step ahead in the market. Whether you're a professional photographer, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who enjoys the calm of an aerial panoramic view, PGYTECH has the right products for you.